Hey everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I want to share with you a really cool technique. I'm super excited to share it with you. You may have seen me do this on Cleveland 19 News on their Sunny Side Up show, but I am giving back through my crafting. And what we're creating today is infusible ink tote bags that you can make at home. And I'm going to be donating mine to our local food bank. And if you check out the blog post below, I have a list of the top 10 things food banks are looking for and how to find the closest food bank to you if you want to get involved. And we'd love for lots of you to get involved. Leave us a comment if you're getting involved and how you're getting involved. But these are a few that I've made. So I made this Be Kind. This is probably one of my favorites. This is the yellow infusible ink. It's actually much more vibrant when you see it in person. And these are on the Cricut substrates on their blanks. This was using the leaf pattern with a mandala. You don't really get to see the leaf pattern. If I was to do it again, I'd want something more solid to show you off that pattern. But I'm going to show you today how cool these patterned pieces are. This is Happiness, so the Loch Ness Monster. And what I tried to do was make some more feminine, some a little bit more masculine. So there's something for everyone in there. We've got good food equals good mood using that buffalo plaid, which is so fashionable. This one I actually made a boo-boo on. I'm going to be doing my top 5 infusible ink fails and how to avoid them coming up soon. But it's still a really pretty bag. And then I did the turtle with the mermaid pattern. So to make these or any other infusible ink project, I'm going to be using today the patterned sheets. And the reason I love these patterned sheets is because this pattern comes out in your finished design. And what you're going to find is it gets much, much brighter. You see how it looks on the packaging? That's how it ends up. So don't fear that it looks like this. And then I took my Cricut Access in my Cricut design space and I chose a design that I wanted. All of those designs are in Cricut Access. So you want to check that out. Links below, of course. And the opportunities and possibilities are endless because there are tens of thousands of designs. There's fonts in there, or you can upload your own design, whichever you want to do. So I cut this out. You can see on your screen now how I did it. You also want to make sure it's mirrored. So click that little button there that says mirror for iron on, and then you select infusible ink and you cut, and then what you'll be able to do is just pull away any of the excess. It's super easy to do. You literally, you can see how easy it'll come off of here. But you want to keep it on this backing sheet because that's going to allow you to put it on here exactly where you want it to be. It's slightly tacky as well. And then you want to pop it on to your blank. So in this case, this is the tote bag. And if you use the Cricut Heat Guide, again, you can see that on your screen. You can select in there what you're using, what blank you're using, whether you're using this Cricut mat that's underneath, which I am, or you can use a towel, but best results, you want the mat. And then it'll tell you your temperature and your time. So mine is 380 for 40 seconds. And I'm going to do it in 4 panels. Now, another tip here is to use the smaller Easy Press. I tried it with the big one, but it just gets caught on some of these seams. So I like doing the 4 panels of the small one. So let's start that. And so once you are done, you will start to see a little bit of a halo of your ink, so you'll know it's done. And when you peel it back, be careful, it is hot. But you're going to see this. Now you see how much more vibrant that is to what we started with. And you've got that design in there of the flowers and the roses. So, so pretty, but it's also really easy to do. And that's literally all you have to do is you mirror, cut, weed, press, peel. I mean, you're done. So, so easy. So I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. As I say, don't forget to check out your local food bank below. Different ways to get involved, whether you make bags and donate them. I want to add a little bit of magic to that process and see that people enjoy it. And then you can also donate food. Top 10 items are in that list as well. I thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to join us or check out all of the Creativation coverage in that playlist, 2020 Creativation. We are super excited. It's a great show. And I will see you again tomorrow. Another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. But in the meantime, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. I'll see you then. Bye.